Here are some bits I have from an old DIN rail project that I would like to recycle, and you should recognize all the parts: the battery, the motion sensor, two Arduinos, the Modbus shields, a relay, and a way to power it all up. I obviously have a battery with me, so just do a normal, demonstration. If you're not familiar, you hover your hand over the motion detector or anything else, and this relay activates. Quite simple, nothing complex there. Obviously this wire is can be very long, apparently up to 1,200 meters, but I will not need that long of a cable. I have some quality Teen Studio shields in the box somewhere. This entire setup, according to this meter, is using now 5 volts, 5.09 volts and 0.09 amps. When activated, uses 507 volts and 0.16 amps. So very little for the project that I'll need it for, and I would love to have this to work under my staircase just down there, because it's kind of dark during the evening. So something to activate a little DIY project. I got the usual culprits. You should now probably recall these are the DIY DIN rail stands for this contraption before. Oopsies. And I also have a rather long 50-meter long green cable, and yes, it had to be green. I can't be bothered to have things that are black or grey. And I also got plenty of these, so that should be interesting. I totally forgot how to put this together code-wise, so I'll have to rediscover that again from scratch, and I should have enough Arduinos. But yeah, that's where I'm going with this. A little nighttime DIY Arduino controlled light, and I have all the ingredients, just a matter of time of me putting it all together. This time I will document everything properly, the entire code, and what actual parts I used, and put it on the blog if anyone ever needs it for any reason, I don't know. But yeah, this is what I'll be playing with. And oh, one more thing before I let you all go. The consumption of watts for these two and these two for a month is about 400 watts. So if you're paying, I don't know, £1 or $1 for 1 kilowatt, that will be like 40 pence or 40 pennies or whatever currency you're in. You get the idea. So to run these for a month is going to be quite cheap. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.